Hi allemaal! Did you know that knowing Dutch personal pronouns is one of the quickest ways to sound more authentic in your conversations? In this lesson we will show you the complete Dutch pronoun system, including the crucial difference between stressed and unstressed forms. So, ready to sound more Dutch with every sentence you speak? Laten we beginnen! Alright, let's talk a little bit about personal pronouns. Personal pronouns sounds maybe difficult, but it's not. It's just like I, you, he, she, it. Those words that are personal pronouns. So the words for I, you, she, they, those kind of words are called personal pronouns. And most of the pronouns in Dutch, they have a stressed and an unstressed form. And generally the unstressed forms are used unless you are emphasizing who you are talking about. So let's go into a list of the personal pronouns in Dutch. We first start with the singular ones. So in between the brackets, we have the unstressed ones, and the one in black are the stressed ones, right? So singular, we have ik, I. Then we have jij, or unstressed, je, and that means you informal. Then we have u, and that means you formal. Then we have hij, or in unstressed way we say I, then it's he. Then we have zij, or unstressed ze is she. Then we have het, and that is it, and unstressed is just a T sound. So then we go to the plurals, and in the plurals we have wij, and wij is we. And we also have we in Dutch, and that is the unstressed version of wij. Then we have jullie, and jullie is you informal. Then we have u, and that is you formal, right? But it's plural, so that is used if you address people formally, and it's more people. And then the last one we have zij, that is they, and you also have ze, and that is the unstressed version. Right, so just to remind you, there's two ways of addressing someone directly. You can say je or jij when you know someone well and you are on a first name basis. Then you can say je or jij. Otherwise, you use u to be more polite or when you don't know someone. Geweldig gedaan! Good job! You've just taken another step with improving your Dutch. What did you find most helpful? Drop it in the comments below if you want. And if you want to learn even more Dutch, check out my online Dutch courses for step-by-step lessons, and you can find the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a new lesson. So see you in the next video.